In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Remaker AI Face Swap. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Then, type Remaker AI Face Swap in the search bar and press enter. Now, click on the first link that appears in the search result to go to the website. Here, you will see option to upload your pictures. Start by clicking the button to upload your original image. This is the photo where you want to swap the face. After that, click on the button to upload the target face. This is the image of the face you want to use. Next, upload both pictures from your computers. Make sure both images are clear and easy to see for the best result. Once you upload the images, look for the swap button and click on it. The AI will work on the images and create the face swap for you. Now that it's done, you will see the new image on your screen. To save it, click download button. This will let you save the face swapped image to your computer. Finally, you can try using different pictures. You can upload various original and target images to see how the face swap turn out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.